She's Uhtred's daughter.
I will not harm you. Do not. Are you one of us or one of them?
It's a game for old men.
Sigtryggr would like to take one of the captives.
Unlike most, you don't miss a thing.
Your daughter.
I will not ask.
Sigtryggr!
I was the horns invisibly. I climb walls, no one sees me. She's a very intelligent young woman.
Sigtryggr is gentle.
You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into
Where is his wife?
Answer me truthfully, and I will treat you kindly. She has not been dishonored, I swear to that.
Sigtryggr!
Open the gates.
My wife will not die trapped like a rat! Your mother, no!
We have to go to war.
Leave it be! No, Stiorra!
Let me go!
Save them!
He's a man of honor.
I see the Dane in her.
You were right, Father.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Do not be.
Is this how we play? Respect those wicked little sinners.
You were tender-hearted. That's why I love you. I'm willing to go.
Sigtryggr?
I did not conquer all I have conquered. You never suffered this. Where are my men?
Sigtryggr is different.
Dishonor either my father or my mother.
Well, then I would say this love of honor makes you a Dane. A king should always lead the good counsel of his queen. I should not have forgotten.
Sigtryggr is sentenced to death.
Your blade and my heart will remain yours.
I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounded wings are beating. You've always loved the stranger.
And build a new home.
I knew love, Father. I left a queen, and now I have nothing.